In this guide, you will learn how to easily locate a folder in your computer. Remember, the PC I'm using for this tutorial is that of Windows and it runs the latest Windows operating system, which is Windows 11. So the first step is to open my File Explorer by clicking on it. As the File Explorer opens, you are landed on the home page, all right? So but let me experiment using the folders that are saved in my documents. So I'll click on Documents folder. Now, all these Apple Books, Audacity, Computer Page, and the rest are all folders. Let's assume I have a lot of folders here that runs into hundreds. And I want to get to anyone I named, and I want to get to the one I named Outlook. The easiest way to do that is click on the first folder that appears on your screen or even any folder at all. Then after that, I want to access Outlook folder. So on my computer keyboard, I will press O because Outlook starts with O. As you can see, it will take me to all the folders that start with letter O. And here, Outlook is the first in this sample. Maybe I have a lot of folders like outdoor and the rest. So once I get to the O, I can then easily navigate to the folder I want to get to. All right.
Thank you. I hope you learned something great. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and then hit the like button if this video is helpful to you. Also, if you want to get some notifications about my videos on technology, that is another reason why you should subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you some other time.